Hi everyone, welcome back to Skate Talk with Inès and Léa. I'm Inès.
And I'm Léa.
And in this series, we talk to you guys about our products, how to use them, and about skate culture in general. So in today's video, we're going to show you how you can measure your foot to get the best size possible for your Slades.
Basically, at Slades, we created a size chart that indicates the size in centimeters, so the length of the foot in centimeters, the European size, the size in US for men's and women's, and the UK sizes. As every brand's size vary differently, we do recommend that you measure your foot in centimeters to make sure that you will get the most appropriate size for you.
So in order to measure your foot properly, you're going to have to put your foot flat on the floor and place it so that the heel is leaning against the wall. And you're going to want to have a piece of paper under your foot with the edge also against the wall. You're going to take a marker and mark where the longest part of your foot reaches on the piece of paper.
And now that you've made the little mark on the piece of paper, we are going to measure the length between the edge of the paper and the little mark that you've made. So centimeters ruler, since the size chart is in centimeters. And now I'm measuring, for example, the example we made. So I've measured 23.5, so that would be in the Slades size guide a size 37.
So that is how you measure your foot to make sure that you get the correct Slade size. Please remember though that the size also depends on the shape of your foot. So in case the size still doesn't fit properly, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@slades.io so that we can help you get the best fit possible for your feet. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that it was helpful and useful for you guys. Don't hesitate to leave comments down below if you have any questions. We will gladly answer them for you. Hit the notification bell button, subscribe to us, and leave us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.